Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Google Play Store not working problem. So let's start the video without skipping. First of all, check your internet connection. Then go to your phone settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. Search Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Scroll. Tap on storage. Clear cache. Tap on clear data. Delete. Back home screen. At last, restart your device. This way you can easily solve your problem successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.